Illinois Mutual provides you the tools you need to be successful selling our products. Whether you prefer to run your own illustrations or use our qualified sales team as your back office support, we support you. Our sales team is here to help you with every step of the sales process, including illustration design. In this video, we will demonstrate completing a DI illustration. First, log into the agent portal from Illinois Mutual's homepage. To begin an illustration, you'll click the Illustrations and Applications dropdown along the left side of the page and select Illustrations and Applications. You can create a new client or choose from your list of existing clients that you've previously built in the system. You'll now select the product information that you'll be quoting. The state field will default to your resident state, but it's important to choose the state the application will be signed in. Next, select the plan type, followed by the product. You can also create a unique case name to help you more easily find illustrations if you create multiple illustrations for a client and need to come back to them at a later time. Creating a new client is as simple as inputting a name, age, or date of birth, and the gender of your client. Click the Next button to build the perfect plan for your client. You'll now provide income and occupation information for your client in order to calculate the benefits they qualify for on their DI plan at the top of the page. You can input an occupation class using the dropdown if you know the classification, or you can use the occupation lookup to automatically populate the occupation class. Choose a benefit period and elimination period for the primary quote. Follow the steps on the page from here, making sure not to skip any important inputs. Once all income and other required fields are complete, press the Calculate Maximum Benefit button under Step 3 to determine how much individual DI coverage your client could qualify for. The amount can be adjusted if your client doesn't need the maximum coverage they qualify for. Talk to your clients about their priorities if they experience a disabling injury or illness that keeps them from working. How much do they need in disability income benefits? Next, if the product you are illustrating offers riders, choose the Riders link on the left side of the screen to review and add any optional riders your clients need on their plan. Place a checkbox next to the rider options you select. You'll notice on the bottom of each page, you can click the Quick Calc button at any time to review the premium and the underwriting requirements necessary for your client based on the selections. Once you're ready to move forward, look for the Action button on the top right side of the screen. From here, you can start an electronic application, view the PDF illustration, and more. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll take a quick look at the illustration. Illinois Mutual's updated DI illustration was designed with the consumer in mind. Scroll through the illustration to make sure everything looks good before presenting this to your client. Our illustrations provide a comprehensive look at our DI policies, outlining pricing, included base policy benefits, and optional riders. Consumer-friendly language helps the client more easily understand what they will get out of their DI policy with Illinois Mutual should they ever need to use it. Our illustrations provide all optional elimination period and benefit period options, so there is no need to run multiple illustrations for your client. Choose the combination that's right for them. All underwriting requirements are laid out towards the end of the illustration so that your client knows upfront what to expect during the underwriting process. Finally, we've provided a waiver of coverage that you can ask your client to sign if they choose not to move forward with a DI application with Illinois Mutual. If you are working with a business owner client, don't forget to return to the illustration software to quote Business Expense Power as well. Simply click on the Action button again and click New Illustration and choose the Business Expense Power product when prompted. Combining both plans for your small business owner clients can help ensure both their personal paycheck and their business can be protected with disability income insurance from Illinois Mutual. If you need assistance building a plan best suited for your client, want to discuss medical history, or understand how these optional riders affect the policy, please reach out to us. Your dedicated sales team is always willing to assist you in building a plan.